So when I'm deciding what I want to sell for the holidays, like Christmas or Valentine's Day, in my shop, before I go and purchase any new supplies and products, I actually like to go and look at my rental inventory and some of my dead stock items. So for instance, this year I had these julep cups. They did really well for me for several wedding seasons, but recently my clients just haven't been looking for this. And as we all know, space in your shop is money, and in order to bring in new trendy pieces, we have to be able to liquidate things that just aren't bringing in money anymore. So I put this together. I've got 3 here. I'll photograph this in a cluster, and I'll also do them in singles so that I can sell it as 1, 2, or 3 for the premium option. I like to keep them a little bit more simple at a lower price point because I do want them to move quickly, especially if I have an abundance of them and I want to sell them in multiples. I can photograph this just using my phone and send it off to the Flower Clique girls, and they'll get it up on my website. It is a really effortless way to move out stuff that's just taking up space and collecting dust. Another way that you can really push these items is to host an Instagram or a Facebook Live session. Even if you aren't super confident designing on camera, you could do a demonstration of how to style a holiday table. So I've got some candles here. I could set the table, show how nice this looks in a complete set, and you can sell it ready to go or even offer it as a DIY package, which people really love. What's really great about this is that if you don't sell all of your inventory, you have Valentine's Day coming up right after the holidays, and so I could do something very similar, style it with like reds and pinks, and achieve the same results.